Okay, here's a quick tutorial on the Save for Web function. So I have my Pink Rose project open. So I've got all my layers available here, and I'm going to first start off by going Layer, Flatten Image. It says Discard Hidden Layers, and in this case we're going to click OK. Then I'm going to come up here to my File menu. I'm going to choose File, Save for Web. I then get a new dialog box that comes up, and I'm just going to come down here in the bottom left hand corner and I'm going to choose Zoom to 25% so we can see our image a little more clearly. Now you have two copies of the photograph available here, the original, which is 9 megabytes, and the JPEG version of it, which is at 343 kilobytes right now. I'm going to come up here to my presets panel, and I'm going to leave that set to custom. I want to save this as a JPEG. I do have the option to save it as GIFs, PNGs, but I'm going to choose JPEG. I'm going to leave the setting at high, but I'm going to pull the quality here down to 60. Between 60 and 80 will give you a good result, but I'm going to leave it at 60. Oop, there we go. Now, it says here in the next box, image size, original size, and it tells you what the original dimensions of the image are, but I want to resize it for web. And normally with a landscape photograph, if I'm uploading it to my blog, I'm going to set the width here to 450 pixels, and it will automatically resize the height, and then I'm going to click apply. And already you will actually see that the photograph has been resized and the JPEG count comes down now to 26K. If I wanted to save it at different dimensions, say an 800 pixel landscape picture, I could click apply, and it's somewhat larger at 59.63K. Anyway, I'm happy with the 450 dimensions for my blog, so I'm going to click apply, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click the OK button, and it's then going to give me the options of renaming the file. So I'm going to call this MO Rose for Web, and I'm going to go save. And that's all there is to it. You've actually got a brand new copy of that image saved, and it'll be ready for uploading as a small file size at 72 dpi to the web, and it actually hasn't interfered with the original image that you created. Up here, and I'm going to click the X on my original image, and it'll say save changes to this document, and I'm going to go no. So that way next time when I open it, it will still be the original layered PSD file that I'd opened in the first place. These instructions follow pretty similarly along in Photoshop CS versions, although you will have several more dialog boxes that appear, but the premise remains the same.